we are gonna benchmark the server sent event capability of Django-bolt. So here is the code. It is a while loop that sends an event back after 1 second. So in practice it looks something like this. Let me just show you. If I refresh it, so it like every 1 second we receive a data back. This is very useful for like AI like chat features, because we want to show the text remain and anything else that can be used with server-side events. So what my setup is, we are gonna benchmark this using this script. This all is open source and available on like Django-bolt repository. So what it is gonna do, it is gonna create concurrent clients for benchmarking. We are gonna create 10,000 clients. Like here, like the server is running with one worker, and we are gonna use this /sse, and our clients are 10,000, and we are gonna create load for 60 seconds. And that part is, if we want to batch requests, that is for that, but we don't want to batch requests. We are going to send 10,000 requests to the server. So now like clients are launching and they are like hitting the server, and we can see like our server does not hang. Like we can cancel and refresh it, that thing is still working. We can like bombard some other endpoint, like that is still working. Everything, like it does not hang, that is my point. So we are going to wait for 60 seconds, and after that 60 seconds our benchmark script will return our data. So data is coming back. Here it like prints like each client how much like messages it received. So in 60 seconds, if we are waiting for 1 second, the ideal number is 59 messages, but we are receiving 58 messages. That is like the minimum is 57 messages, maximum is 58 messages. Total messages we received is like 500,000, and that is data transfer. And like per client per second, total messages per second 9,000 messages. So the RAM we used is 230. Like this thing is like not very scientific, but like 10,000 clients and sending 10,000 like 500,000 messages to each client, that is I think very impressive. We are using async function. We can also do sync, that is gonna use threads instead of like event loop.